Bull Bitcoin Wallet App. The pros, the cons. Bull Bitcoin is often called Canada's most trusted Bitcoin-only wallet and exchange, but what makes it stand out, and where does it fall short? Let's explore the real pros and cons of the Bull Bitcoin Wallet App. Starting with the pros, Bull Bitcoin focuses entirely on Bitcoin, not thousands of altcoins. That single-minded approach gives it a unique edge, security, transparency and simplicity. It's built for serious Bitcoin users, the ones who value control and long-term savings over speculation. One of the biggest advantages is self-custody integration. Unlike traditional exchanges, Bull Bitcoin encourages users to hold their coins in their own wallets, not on centralized servers. This reduces hacking risk and puts full ownership in your hands, exactly what Bitcoin was created for. Another pro is its direct-to-wallet purchases. When you buy Bitcoin through Bull, your funds go straight to your personal wallet. You don't need to manually withdraw, the system does it automatically, saving time and preventing costly mistakes. The platform also allows bill payments in Bitcoin within Canada. That's right, you can pay rent, credit cards, or utilities directly from your wallet using BITS. It's one of the few services making everyday crypto payments truly practical. Now for the cons. The most obvious is that Bull Bitcoin is Bitcoin only. If you want to diversify or buy altcoins, you'll need another platform. For some users, that's too restrictive. Another limitation is regional availability. Bull Bitcoin primarily serves Canadian users, so global access is limited. Lastly, the user interface, while functional, is more geared toward experienced Bitcoiners than beginners. It's not as flashy or simplified as mainstream crypto apps. In conclusion, Bull Bitcoin is a powerful, secure, and principled platform for those who believe in Bitcoin's long-term value. It's ideal for users who care about privacy, control, and real financial sovereignty, but not for casual altcoin traders. If your goal is to buy, hold, and use Bitcoin the right way, Bull Bitcoin Wallet is one of the most trustworthy tools to do it.